SureHold, clean and simple.
Hey guys, Barry Burhoff with SureHold Industries again, and today we are out on our beautiful Albury Brothers 23-foot project boat. Now, if you didn't get to see all the refit videos we did when we redid this boat about a year and a half ago, I'll put the link down below. There's some really cool videos. It's about a 4-part series. But today I've got a review for you on a system that we put in the boat that we didn't actually show in those videos. And for obvious reasons, that was the security system. Now, the system we put in is from Siren Marine, and this system is just amazing. It was super simple to install. And not only is it a security system, it plugged into a lot of the other systems on the boat, including the batteries and the bilges and some other stuff. But what's even better than the install is how it operates. All you have to do is take your iPhone or Android phone, log right in. Right here, you've got your Siren Marine app. And from right within this app is the entire system. It is that easy. One button and you are in. And this will do just about everything you need it to do. I could see where the boat is with the GPS locator. I could see my battery voltages for both my power battery and my house battery. I could see if the bilge is running. I could see if the engine is running. In the engine, I could see what the engine hours are and my maintenance time. So it will let me know when it's time to maintain my engine by the settings that I put in. I've got the backup battery for the alarm system. It tells me the health of that. This tells you everything. And if you arm the system, like we just got back and we want to arm it, we hit arm. Now what that does is that puts a geofence around the boat. And what that means is if you come to the boat and take it away from the dock more than 5 feet, this geofence is going to say, hey, I'm no longer where I was set. And it's going to send a signal out. And that signal is going to go to everyone on my notification list. So I'm going to get an email and or text, depending on how I set it. Captain Sam I have set up to get a text right away. So that way someone could attend to the boat right away. And not only does it signal you, it continues to track where the boat goes. But not only is it signaling for the alarm system, it signals for all the other settings in here. So for instance, if the bilge was running beyond so many cycles, quickly cycling or running for a long time, it's going to notify me. We had an issue with rain and we had left the plug in. The kids left the plug in one night, horrible rainstorm, boat is up on the lift and it's filling with water. It texted me, not a problem, sent someone out, we pulled the plug, the boat was fine, didn't damage the lift from too much weight from the water. So everything you need happens right here, all in the Siren Marine app, and it really takes really good care of your boat, and it gives you that peace of mind. And in addition to that, the theft protection in a lot of cases is going to get you a discount on your insurance. Now this system here will work just as well on a 23-foot boat as it would on our 43-foot boat, so you don't have to worry about what size. Theirs is universal and it will expand and contract depending on the size of your boat. So 2 thumbs up from SureHold. We've had it for a year and a half. We absolutely love our Siren Marine system. Works flawlessly. With that, if you want to see more of our reviews, more of our tips and tricks, more cleaning videos, remember to click the subscribe button or visit me at surehold.com, because we're here to help you keep your boat clean and simple. Come on guys, they already know to subscribe. Let's keep this nice and clean.